Did you know Jesus exposed a shocking religious scam that let people abandon their parents while looking holy? In Matthew 15, Jesus condemned a practice called Korban, where people declared their money devoted to God to avoid helping their aging parents. Here's how the scam worked. You could pledge your future inheritance to the temple treasury, but still use the money while you lived. This meant when your parents got old and needed support, you could say, "Sorry, that money belongs to God now." The temple authorities loved this because they profited from these pledges while families suffered. Elderly parents were left with no help, creating a social crisis among Jewish communities. Jesus was furious about this manipulation. He said they were making void the word of God for the sake of tradition. This connects to why Jesus cleansed the temple and criticized the Pharisees for their hypocrisy. They turned religion into a tool that hurt the most vulnerable people. Today's gospel reminds us that true faith means caring for those who need us most, especially our own family members.